Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to draw freehand portrait sketch using Loomis method. So first we will draw circle, then draw straight vertical and horizontal line from the center of the circle, and we will divide vertical line into 6 equal parts as shown in video. Then join these two horizontal lines from both sides and we will find the square, and if our measurement is correct, so we will find the perfect square in this circle. Center horizontal line is the brow line. This top horizontal line is the hairline, and the most bottom line will be the nose line. For drawing front face, the distance between hairline, brow line, nose line and chin line is always same. Just below the eyebrow line, at 1/3 of the total distance of brow line and nose line, we can find the eye line. For the front face, ears starts from the brow line to nose line. Then divide this center horizontal line into equal 5 parts, so we can easily draw both eyes identical and at the right place with the right width, and we can easily place the nose with the right nose width. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more art tutorials and progress videos. Drag two vertical lines from the center of the eyes and draw lips such as the ends touches two vertical lines and the circle. I hope this video is helpful to you to learn the basics. So please let me know in comments, and again don't forget to subscribe to my channel.